Ayan, jajan, meron ba kayo, no?
One morning, as Mama Puti was washing clothes by the river, a strong current swept away her late mother's favorite garments. She searched until she found the hut pit in the forest. The old woman asked, "Are you looking for something, dear child?" "Yes, grandmother. My mother's clothes are carried away by the river. Have you seen it?" The old woman nodded. "Yes, I have. I will return it to you, but first, could you help me for some chores?" Mama Puti agreed to helping that old woman. When everything was done, the old woman giving it her pet haircut. "You are a wonderful helper. In return, you can choose the one of pumpkin as a gift. One is large and one is big." Mama Puti was a little confused, but then she humbly